In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change report layout in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to open the right report, adjust the time frame and comparison columns so the data tells a clearer story, and then export the results in the format that suits your workflow. Start by signing into your Xero organization and heading to the main dashboard. From here, look for the reporting menu on the top navigation bar. Click Reporting to open Xero's reporting hub. This is where all of your financial reports live, and it's the central place to control how those reports are presented. Next, choose All Reports. This shows the full library so you can pick the exact report you want to adjust. Even though today's focus is on layout, it helps to start with a commonly used report so you can see changes immediately. Select Profit and Loss. This report is ideal for layout tweaking because it displays revenue and expenses in a way that responds clearly to timeline and comparison settings. When the report opens, you'll see filters and controls across the top. These are the tools we'll use to customize what appears on the page. Begin with the date range. Set it to this month. Switching the date range changes the rows and totals that appear, which effectively changes the structure of the report on screen. For instance, narrowing the window can help you focus only on the current activity, while longer ranges give you a more comprehensive view. If you work on month-end reviews, choosing this month is a quick way to confirm how things are tracking right now. Now, refine the layout further with a comparison. Use the Compare With option to select the date you want to compare against, such as the previous month or the same month last year. When you add a comparison, Xero adds extra columns side by side. This column layout is one of the most impactful ways to analyze performance, revealing trends and variances at a glance. If your goal is to spot seasonality or momentum, these comparison columns make it much easier to interpret the numbers. Once your report looks the way you want, export it so you can share or archive the exact layout you're seeing. Click Export, then choose from PDF, Excel, or Google Sheets. PDF is best for a clean, uneditable snapshot. Excel is perfect for further analysis or formatting, and Google Sheets is great for collaboration. Your exported file will reflect the date range and comparison settings you applied, preserving the layout for your stakeholders. That's it. Open reporting, go to All Reports, choose Profit and Loss. Set the date range, add a comparison, and export in the format you prefer. With these steps, you can quickly shape the report layout to match the story you want your numbers to tell.